Hello everyone. So, what do you call a hippie's wife? Well, you call her Mississippi, of course. Oh boy, that was pretty bad. Alright, let's talk about how to take a screenshot using Greenshot. So Greenshot might be installed on your computer already, or it might not. The way that you can check is if you go down to the bottom right hand portion of your computer, kind of down here in this taskbar area, you can kind of hover over it. Now there might be a little arrow up that you have to click on to see all the different icons or all of the different applications that are running. The one that you're looking for is this one right here. It should have like kind of a G, but it's tilted about 45 degrees and it's made of dots, and when you hover over it, it says Greenshot. If you have, so just to note, Greenshot cannot be installed on your Chromebook. It can only be installed on the school computers, or if you have a PC or Mac at home, it could be installed on those as well. But anyway, we can see right now that Greenshot is installed on this computer. So I'm going to go ahead though and pause the video and uninstall it so that I can walk through the installation process with you, just in case it's not installed. If it is already installed, you can go ahead and just kind of keep going with the video, but you don't have to do these steps of downloading and installing it because it is already installed on your computer. Okay, so you can see Greenshot I just uninstalled it from my computer. So this is how your computer might look if Greenshot is not installed. You notice we don't see the Greenshot icon down here. In order to install it, you just go to, we can just Google get Greenshot. And it should be getgreenshot.org should be the website. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. We want to click on the download now button, which is at the top of the screen. Then you'll download the latest stable version for Windows. This is the little Windows icon right there. So we'll click on download latest stable. We'll hit save. Wait till that downloads. Now in Google Chrome, it'll automatically pop up down here on our downloads bar. We can just click on that, hit yes. Hit OK, and accept the agreement, hit next, 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 install. All the defaults were fine. And now that I have installed Greenshot on my computer, I can just go ahead and hit this finish button, and I see Greenshot down here. So Greenshot will allow you to take screenshots of your screen, and you're going to be using these screenshots to show me, your teacher, how you've been doing a lot of different assignments on here. So there's really two big ways to take a screenshot, or two ways to save a screenshot. I'm going to just click down here on Greenshot, and I'm going to go to Capture Region, and I'm going to drag across my entire screen to capture something. And the first way is I'm going to click on this Save As. So I'm going to click Save As, and this will allow us to save the screenshot as an image file, specifically a PNG file, to our computer. Now you should probably save yours to your U drive. I do not see my U drive on this list because I'm using my personal laptop computer right now, but you would probably, under this PC, you'd scroll down, rather than it saying local disk and then this C colon right here, you would see something that says user drive, and then, or potentially it'll say your username, and then it'll say U colon. You want to just click on that and save it into there, and that will save the screenshot. Now, if you forgot, like I don't remember where I saved this, we can always come down here to Greenshot, and you can click on this Open Last Capture Location, and this will open up the location right here on your computer of where you save this image. So I can double click on that image, I can see it right there, so then I could, hop over to my email right here, compose an email, send this, hey Mr. Reichelt, to Mr. Reichelt, here is a screenshot. Okay, we click on the little attach button, and then we need to find where we saved that. I think that I saved mine in my documents somewhere in here. Knowing where you saved it is pretty good. There it is. You just hit open and send it. More often than not, though, you are going to be turning in your assignments with Google Docs. So if you wanted to paste or like insert an image into this Google Doc, there's a much easier way of doing it with Greenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and come back down here to Greenshot. I'm going to do capture region, drag across my entire screen, and now I'm going to go to copy to clipboard right here. So I'll hit the copy to clipboard. And then what this will do is this will allow me to now in a Google Doc, now I've opened up a Google Doc, I can right click or I can hit Control V to paste that image into there. And of course, with Greenshot, I can capture just part of the window. So I could just maybe drag like around this area right there, copy that part to the clipboard, and then when I go Control V, I can just paste that little part of the image that I created there. So more often than not, you're going to be uploading or saving your images to a Google Doc, but there might be cases in which you have to email an image or upload the image to Canvas. So in any case, that's how to do it. That's how to use Greenshot. Please let me know if you have any questions.